Hey guys, it's me. Today it's time to go to Disney World. So I'm gonna fly over there. I prepare, fully vaccinated. I have my mask in my backpack. I'm gonna enjoy this trip. Some trip I needed for the longest time. So yeah, it's 7:45, so might as well head to the airport now. So we finally made it to the airport, and look who I ran into.
It's Juan.
It's Juan.
How are you guys?
Good. Where are you heading to?
I am heading to a solo trip to Disney World, and since you bumped into me.
Oh, you're going to Disney World too?
Yeah, I'm going by myself.
Oh, same.
There you go.
What a coincidence. What flight are you on?
United at 11:05. What about you?
On the same flight.
I have an extra spot next to you if you just want to sit next to me.
Yeah.
Might as well, you know?
Yeah, now that we randomly found each other.
I know, you're like, oh, hey, you're here. Great, I found you. How lame, but okay.
Yeah. Our flight, so apparently our flight's not until like 11:05, so we got like
a couple minutes to like chill.
Well, a good like hour to chill, yeah. So it's all good though.
That's bad, that's bad.
Yeah. Ugh. I'm getting kind of thirsty though. Who are you texting?
My friend. No one important. I've been single and I'm always getting like, you know, used and taken advantage, but it's cool.
Okay, so
it's cool, y'all. It's cool.
That's way too much information to put on here.
It's cool, y'all. It's cool. Just live life and be happy.
Yeah.
That's all.
Can't argue with that.
Don't let anyone bring you down. Just, you know, keep on going. Just live your dreams.
That I can agree on that. All right. Probably see you guys on the flight.
Yep.
We're about to head to the gate.
Wait, is it recording?
Yes, it's recording.
It is. I see it. Okay,
you see the little button that says record?
I'm sorry. Your camera is brand new, so I don't even know.
No, this is not my ZV E10 one. This is just a ZV one.
I don't have that camera. I have the Canon Mark II. Anyways, guys, we bought some food.
And drinks.
Yes. So it was water and Powerade. We spent $14.41. I paid $11 in cash because my card stopped working. So
yep.
She paid the rest. God bless for her. God bless for her. But now we're gonna have a seat on our gate, and then
oh yeah, here's 70B.
Here it is, and then I heard there's a lot of people that we work with are here too. So
oh yeah, this should be fun.
We gotta watch out. We gotta watch out. Let's see if we can find them. Just magically bump into them.
Magically bump into them?
Yeah. So like keeping an eye out, trying to see if she's not here or they're here, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so far
there's like no seats.
The closest clear for this side.
Well, that's 70A.
Okay, so 70B is over here, so we're on that side.
Yeah. It's like full of people already. It should be fun. Anyways, we'll see you on the flight. Finally on the flight now.
Yeah.
Open the window, I want to see. Wow, look at that. I haven't taken off yet. I'm about to take off soon. In like 15 minutes?
Around there, yeah.
Okay. I'm very nervous. I don't like flying. As far as, I don't know if some of you have known me for a long time, but I hate flying. This is like my second time being on a plane since like
2020.
Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board United Flight number 1094, destination Orlando. As you're getting yourself settled, we'd like to remind you that your small items go directly underneath the seat, the larger in the overhead compartment. This is the 737 MAX, so these overhead bins are a little larger than other 737s. Most suitcases fit on the side, some may be a little long, so please ensure that the overhead bin closes before taking your seat so we don't incur any delays. We're pretty close to full aircraft, give or take a couple seats here or there, so do make sure that you sit in your assigned seat.
About to take off. We're stacking up. I'm very terrified right now. I hate flying. Oh, just got down. See, I would be terrified of working at an airport. Like, I saw that scene from Toy Story 2 and it already gives me anxiety.
Oh god.
Wait till we actually start going faster. We made it to Florida, finally. And it's like, it's 6:45 here, so we're very early.
Yeah. I always thought it was the wrong time. I was like, oh, it's the wrong time, but then we're good. We're chilling, we're good.
Yes.
And now we have to go on the little shuttle.
Oh yeah, to pick up our stuff.
Yeah.
I should have brought like a small little bag with my
You know, I
backpack.
was gonna do that, but I didn't think of it, so.
Would that be extra or something, or is,
Okay,
does
so
that count as like a
okay,
carry-on?
so I don't know. This is really confusing. So for me, I don't know if a backpack is like really your carry-on, or is that your carry-on? Because I see people bringing on that and also a backpack.
Yeah.
So, anyways, look at that, 50th anniversary.
Next stop terminal A&B.
Figment's one of my favorite characters. As you can see, I'm wearing
Next stop terminal
this
A&B.
shirt. We take this one, right?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Right, time to pick up our luggage. And then we gotta find a ride over to get our stuff. Do we pick up here or do we pick up over there?
Over there.
Oh,
To the
okay.
left.
Okay.
I like how I see there's only like 3.
We're here. Now we gotta wait for our ride. And I got my luggage. Oh, they didn't steal anything. I'm pissed off if they did.
Hey Ava, since I put 20, should we go on 20 or should we stay here?
Wait, you put it on 20, not
Well,
20?
yeah, because I told Ava, I was like, should I put it here or 20? Because they only gave me an option for 20.
Oh, did it? Maybe
Yeah.
they'll know. Maybe because you
Most
put,
likely.
yeah. And the rain will fall. And be like, hello? Yeah. Ooh, I need to charge this battery.
My phone's on 24%.
My phone's been on 60.
Must be nice.
Ooh, must be nice.
Must.
That's how he always is with me.
I didn't get to watch my movie, remember? I'm just playing us matching game for 4 hours.
And Five Nights at Freddy's 3.
Yeah.
I don't know why you played the third one. The first one's better.
Because that one you only need sound. You only need sound in order for it to pop up.
He didn't even get Security Breach one.
That's on PlayStation only.
We finally made it to the hotel. I'll start music. Look, there's Taylor Swift. There's Michael Jackson. It's the only person I care about. There's some other musicians. Are we going into the arcade?
They got a bigger arcade than the other one.
Oh, a fuel rod. That's what I need. Breakfast
I had
time.
reservations there for like 3
Can
p.m.
we do it and then like go early and be like, hi? Can we eat early? Thanks.
Little mini Mickey waffle.
They're like, oh, 15.
Seriously.
Oh, these are hard.
They're hard.
Oh no.
Sushi combo.
Oh, mine's like somewhat soft, like a good crisp.
Oh, that sucks. You gotta get them hard. Hard. How you recording that? my bad, G, my bad.
So we are staying at the All-Star Music Resort. We just checked in, but our room's not ready. Now, we're just waiting to get to Epcot. We gotta get that popcorn bucket.
Yeah.
I think it's a must thing. The park doesn't open until 10, so we're gonna get there for early entry at 9:30.
Yep.
He has his Simba ears on.
He clapped. I got him from Disney Paris.
He's never been to Disney Paris, but he got
No,
them.
but I got him from there.
He's never been, but he's got it from there. Oh my god.
Are you flapping his team?
Yeah.
Oh, they work.
Yeah, they work. Oh, I'm so ready for this. And then once we get the popcorn bucket, then we can head back to the hotel. No, just kidding.
Wait, what happened?
No, I'm kidding. We're gonna stay in Epcot for like
Couple hours.
a good couple hours, like go on everything and get the
We've
bucket.
been up for, well, I've been up for more than 32 hours already?
I've been up since like 9 in the morning.
Yeah, no, I've been up for 32 hours because I had to go to work before the flight. I worked a 12-hour shift, so
Yeah.
here I am.
Yeah, I've been up for a while, so. But I'm not tired yet, so
Yeah, wide
which is really good. Because that soda that I had on the flight really helped out.
Yep.
Where's the Epcot? There's no bus to Epcot yet. Next one's supposed to be at, it said 47, so hopefully it's here, or it gets here. There's another Magic Kingdom one. We're at Epcot now. Now, it's our goal to power walk, get the popcorn bucket.
We still got time.
I want to get there. There might be a long line to get inside the park.
That's true.
That's why we need to hurry. See, look at this. All these people.
There's no
There's people.
of you.
I'm determined to get at least 2. Maybe 3.
What the hell?
Probably gonna get 2. Maybe 4.
Crazy.
Yes. Juan's getting a picture. Festival of Arts sign. Made it to Epcot.
is it cheap? I guess we can roll it. You should have stayed where you were.
It is 9:18. Alright. We're a little early, but it's good.
Right? Is that why we're waiting? We get a really good spot at Soarin'.
Got to get the popcorn buckets. We got on the wrong line earlier.
Oh, I know, we went on the wrong line. So we're good though.
We're all good. All good. Maybe I might buy 3 if they allow it. If they only say 2 right now, then I'll take the 2. I'm about to get this. And zoom in. That's what that cast member's holding. You can't see it, but it's right there. Well, guys, we did it. We got our popcorn buckets.
I didn't get one. It's for my friend.
Yeah, Juan got one for his friend. He also got one for me, even though I was gonna buy one myself. And then got one for my other friend and one for my other friend. And we finally got him. And look how long that line is now. Like, oh my goodness. Good thing we came here.
Yeah, luckily we did because we actually waited in the wrong line and yeah.
Yeah. Oh, could you put my wallet back in? Oh, there's a Figment 50th statue over there. I want to take a picture with that.
Where is it?
It's right across over there.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I want to get a picture. There's a Figment 50th statue. It's so cute. Look at it. This is the one statue and wanted a picture of. The other one is Lady and the Tramp. It's so cute. I'm gonna get a picture with it. Finally get to go on test track. This is my first time actually being on this ride because the last time I was here it wasn't open. So we get to go on it this time. This looks so cool. Oh, were you invited?
Go ahead. I had a child with an emergency, so I'm waiting for
Okay. So awesome.
You'll see a shift reflects the board performance attributes, capability, efficiency, responsiveness, power.
Because we have pretty bad,
This one? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, create the shape of the vehicle by drawing the line from 1 2. I'm trying to draw a straight line as possible. Okay, we have enough power. And then optimize 62. Okay. See if you can try to make it fast. Okay, I like that. Wait,
Oh no.
there we go. I like that right there. Wait. No. Oh, I like that. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, lame. So I'm losing power. There we go. And wait.
Responsiveness.
They were good there.
Yeah.
Engine. I don't want a hybrid.
I don't think we want a hybrid.
Plasma burner?
Okay.
Are you trying to go slow or are you trying to go fast?
Fast.
Alright. Confirm or?
Yes.
Okay. I'll get to paint it. Oh. That's weird. How should we get it?
Face.
Ooh, you do it. Weird. That's fine. Yeah.
Paint.
What color?
Blue. Oh yeah, that color blue.
I like that blue, yeah.
Yeah.
Graphics.
No stars.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, let's go see what else is there. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was nice.
I kind of like the flames or the stripes.
Okay, I like that one.
Yeah, I like that one too.
Okay. Wheels. Well, the purple one's more power.
So this one?
Yeah. There we go. Size. There we go. Accessories. We have 30 seconds left. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Front. We wanted power. Good. never did it. Rare.
This one?
Yeah. Check.
Man.
Look at our efficiency.
Wow.
That's bad.
That's not good at all.
But we got good power.
We got all the power, but yet very bad efficiency.
Let's go.
Got to get on. Excited.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track.
That's fine with me.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar. SimCar performance data acquired.
I was not expecting that.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SimCar off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Oh, we won.
We won?
Capability test results displayed and verified.
Shoot.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Nice.
Scanning SimCar for optimal eco efficiency. Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact.
Oh.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test. Performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the SimCar after you disembark.
Yeah.
Okay, that's whatever.
That's fine.
That was probably like my favorite ride out of Epcot. More than Journey into Imagination, I'm sorry.
That's right.
I mean, it's Figment, so I'm still in love with that ride, but Test Track is a lot of fun. Oh, hey, the soda store's open now. You wanna try it? The Cool Wash? Yeah.
No, it's closed.
Oh, it's closed?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was open. Oh no, I thought it was like inside like one of the things. The Cool Wash is like it's like the custom toppings and whatever.
See the glass ornaments? Any wait time right now?
Oh, look at that playground. That's cute. You know the Mexican restaurant over there? They have the queso fundido. Kind of want that.
Okay, let's go.
Now we're at the World Showcase. We just hit China and now we're heading towards
I forgot.
yeah, I forgot too. I don't know. Someone in the comments put down which one we're passing. Because we passed Mexico, Norway, then China, now we're somewhere. Oh, remember when we tried those like vegan churros that like look like pink bunches? That was nasty. Like
This is where I got them.
yeah, like the fact that they were vegan, it wasn't an issue. It was
But
just
they have this chocolate chip cookie.
what?
They have this chocolate chip cookie.
Okay, that cookie actually looks good.
Better than the churros.
Yeah.
I smelled it right now.
I'm gonna read this back to mom though.
All beef hot dog. Yeah.
I know. They have them at other places. What's in it? Is there pineapple in it?
It's like strawberry.
But yeah, those that
So that has pineapple.
the churros that was like vegan. Like that's a good concept. Like that's fine.
Yeah.
But they were nasty because it was cold. And it felt stale.
I bet it's good.
And it's an okay one. Now we are in Germany. Yeah, I think this is Germany. Yeah, this is Germany. Germany. What is that?
It's the book for the passport.
Oh.
I'm gonna definitely look at this when we get to the room.
Oh, you can actually take a boat to the other side. I want a crepe. That's what I want.
Yes.
And she's like, I'm like, yeah, it tastes like crap. It tastes like really so bad. Oh, really? Oh, look at it. It was perfect. Like, what was it like?
I know there's Goofy somewhere.
Goofy somewhere?
Yeah, he's somewhere. I don't remember. He's probably like up there.
Oh.
Make it to the end. It's gonna be pretty cold.
Yep. Watch out for other people.
Don't see him anymore.
Make us down. Make us down, yo. Now, I wouldn't mind if I had the yard, the patience, and this amount of train set to make like a train set like this. I would totally be down to do this. I do like train sets.
Okay, so is the spaceship Earth gray or white?
Spaceship Earth?
Gray or white?
This is like the stupid, like, is the dress blue or is it gray thing?
Well, look at it right now.
It's...
If you go that way, it's gray, okay?
Well, right, and now I'm seeing it's white.
Well, come over here.
It's still white.
My bad. Those probably the clouds blocking the sun.
Probably.
I saw it gray. That's why I was like, let me ask her.
It's white.
What about the bottom?
White.
What the hell? I see white and gray.
You see white and gray?
I see gray in the bottom. What is it?
It's gray.
Wait, watch out.
Wait, it's changing colors.
So I wasn't going crazy.
It's changing colors. It's changing from gray to white.
Okay, I wasn't going crazy then.
Because when you pulled me aside, then I saw it was gray, and then I saw it changing it to white. God. Yeah, see, it's going gray. I don't know if you can see this, but...
It's getting gray.
Yeah, see, don't know if you guys can see this. It's gray. See, yeah, see, now it's gray. And then it changes white. I don't know if it's gonna look any different, but we're seeing it.
Just those two. That's cool.
Yeah, trippy but cool.
That's why I asked. I was like, wait a minute. Like, what color is it after all?
I mean, when I saw that it was like full on gray, I was like, wait.
At first, you made me look like I was crazy.
Well, I mean, because in the many pictures I've seen, it's always white. So it's kind of trippy that it would do that. So we just passed Morocco. Now we're heading over to France.
Which way do you want to start headed? a small little.
Yeah. So, I think what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take this Skyliner and head on over to Disney Springs. We're extremely exhausted. Well, not like exhausted, but like I just want to lie down in our room. Like my room's not ready, his room's not ready. I don't even think like our friend's room is like ready either.
By the way, this is our solo trip. I don't know if we mentioned it before. So she is doing her own thing. I'm doing my own thing. We're just hanging out in the parks together.
Yeah, we
needed to collab.
Yeah, this was a solo trip for me, solo trip for him. Like
We just bumped into each other.
it was just a random coincidence that we bumped into each other.
So now since we're together, might as well hang out, but we're still considered a solo trip.
Yeah. I got a Figment shirt. Well,
And,
not the
buckets,
shirt.
buckets.
Not the buckets. The shirt. I got a Figment shirt and a car magnet for my car when I get the car that I want, hopefully soon. And then I have
Hopefully.
And then I have 3 buckets, but y'all already saw that. Now this is Skyliner. Oh, I guess the battery's not dead on this. Now it's working. I probably had it on one mode that like wouldn't do it.
So I was closing 3, 2, a little too early. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put my feet up here. Oh, this screen is great, Lauren.
Well, I should probably sit here.
You should, yeah.
No, it's Skyliner. It's scary, but it's fun.
Oh.
Not to mention it's also windy.
You know, I didn't think about that. So.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Epcot International Gateway.
Waterfall, don't say
You're
it.
flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with a final stop at Disney's Caribbean Beach
Do you know how to
Resort.
swim?
I know how to swim. I took swimming
You'll be
lessons.
fine.
We hope you enjoyed your visit to Epcot and World
There's
Showcase.
gators though. I'm
Did
dead.
you learn how to say hello in a different
We're
language
safe in
today?
here.
You say that now.
Don't jinx it.
Bye, Epcot. And see you tomorrow.
We'll see you later on tonight.